Hello 3D printing class. We are going to go over the align lesson now. I'm on my Tinkercad.com dashboard. I'm going to go up here to learn. I'm still in starters. It is our last starter lesson. I'm going to click on see all starters to open up the bigger menu. And the last lesson, align it. To align something means to put it in line with something else. And this is one of the most important skills we're going to need for the rest of our projects for the summer. Okay. Align it. While building, you may need to line up shapes. Let's try aligning some shapes. So we see that we've got 3 squares. Here's our work plane. Here's the y-axis going up and down. We've got the x-axis going across, and the z-axis is the 3-dimensional one that goes up into the sky. And we want to put them all down straight in a row. Okay, so let's explore the different ways these box shapes can be aligned. Hovering over an alignment handle, we'll see that in just a second, will show a preview of what the alignment will look like, and clicking a handle will move the shapes into the preview position. Let's try previewing all the alignment options. And it kind of shows us here what a preview is going to look like. Our first instruction says, select all the box shapes by holding Shift on the keyboard and left-clicking on each box shape. And look, there's a hint here. Shapes that you have selected will be outlined in a blue color. So I'm going to click one box, and I see that blue outline it's talking about. I'm going to hold down Shift and click the other box, and now it says I've got 2 shapes. That's a good clue. And I'm going to click on my third box, and now it says I've got 3 shapes, so I know I'm in the right place. I'm going to let go of the Shift key. That's very important. I'm going to get this out of the way just to make it easier. Okay, so now it's telling us with all the shapes selected, click the Align button on the toolbar. If you don't remember what they are, you can hover. So we've got Show All, we've got Group, Ungroup, and there's our Align. I'm going to click Align. And now here are those align handles the direction was talking about. Hover your mouse over each of the black alignment handles to see a preview of the alignment. So if I just hover, not click, it's going to show me. If I click here, here's where they're going to move. They would all align to the top of the y-axis. Here, they would align to the center of the y-axis. Here, they're all at the bottom. I think that's what we need. Then I've got my x-axis alignment, all on one side, all on the center, all on the right. And then this one you can see going kind of up into the 3rd dimension is that z-axis going up and down. So this puts them all flat on the work plane. This puts them kind of hovering along the middle. And this one puts them all the way at the top of our grid. So we want to align to the bottom, and it's showing me in this picture. I want them all in the front of the x-axis and flat on the work plane and the z-axis. Okay, so we know now that clicking on any of them will put them in the right spot. And here, this is so important, that undo button will fix whatever you've done. So let's see, I want them all in the front. So that's going to be right here. So now they're all in the front, but now I need to change them on the z-axis, which remember is going to be this one. So this is all the way at the top. That's not what I want. This one is in the middle. That's not what I want. Now I've got all 3 of my boxes in a nice straight line on the work plane on the bottom level of the z-axis. Okay, I'll be looking to see if I see 3 blocks all in a row on your page in my little teacher view. Can't wait to see what you did. Thanks.